So let's get started with calendars. Okay. So do anyone know what type of questions will be asked on calendars? Calendars nunchi ఏ type of questions vastayi? Any idea? Number of odd days? No. Okay. For example, if I ask you what day of the week is 15th August 1947, can someone tell me this without looking in the mobile or without looking at any calendar in 2 minutes? Anyone or no? If you can't, just tell me no. Okay. But by the end of this session, okay, you will be able to determine that. Okay. So first, so how many types of years do we have? Two types. What are they? Mute yourself and you can speak, no issues. Okay. Two types: perfect, leap year, and non-leap year. What is the difference between these two? What's the difference between leap year and non-leap year? Yes, one extra day. So in a non-leap year, we will be having 365 days, and in a leap year, you will be having 366 days. And that one extra day is because of Feb 29. Perfect. Okay. So how will you determine whether given year is a leap year or not? For example, if I give you 1996, is it a leap year? Okay. How did you define that? How can you determine whether it's a leap year or not? Okay. It should be divisible by 4. Okay. So I have a question for you guys. Okay. So we have, for example, say 1892, 1896, 1900, 1902, and 1904. Okay. So among these 5 years, how many leap years do we have? Okay, we have responses 4, 4, 4, 2 threes, 3, 3, 4. Okay. So we have a majority of the responses are 4 and some are 3. Okay. Now is 1892 a leap year? Okay, for a given year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 4. Okay. Now tell me, should I divide whole 1892 by 4? Or do we have any shortcut? Last 2 digits. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. Divisibility rule of 4. We will be using divisibility rule of 4. Okay. So if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number will be divisible by 4. So is 1892 a leap year? 92 divisible by 4. Yes. 96 a leap year? 96 is divisible by 4. Yes. 1902? No. 1904? Yes. But is 1900 a leap year? That's my question. No, yes, no. Okay. So according to this rule, it is divisible by 4. Isn't it? 1900 is divisible by 4. Okay, so it should be a leap year. But the answer is no. 1900 is not a leap year. Okay, so we have a rule to determine whether a given year is a leap year or not. Now, for a given year to be a leap year, okay, first we have to determine whether the given year is a century year or a non-century year. Okay, for example, century year. Let's take century year and non-century year. Now, what are century years? Multiples of 100, 100, 200, 300, and so on. These are called century years, isn't it? Now, for a given century year to be a leap year, that has to be divisible by 400, not 4. Okay, for a century year to be a leap year, it should be divisible by 400. So, is 1900 divisible by 400? No. So, 1900 is not a leap year. Okay, for non-century year, what are non-century years? The remaining years. The years which are not century years are non-century years. For them, the rule is simple, that the given year should be divisible by 4. Clear? Now you know. Now you can determine a given year is a leap year or not. Any doubts still here? Quick responses. Clear. Perfect. Okay. Now, what is the cyclicity of a leap year? For example, if I say 1904 is a leap year or X is a leap year, then the next leap year will be, okay, the next leap year may be X plus 4. Then the year X plus 4 may be a leap year. Okay, why did I say maybe? Let us see. Yes, perfect. Okay, I have written here may. I didn't write that X plus 4 will be a leap year. Okay, now let's see why. So what will be the next leap year after 2096? I'll give you 30 seconds. Year 35. Option C, option C, option C, option C. Perfect. It should be option C. Okay, we have 210 as also an answer, but that's not the answer. Okay, now how to solve these type of questions? Now, what will be the next leap year after 2096? Okay, now is 2096 a leap year? 96 is divisible by 4, then yes. Okay, then now we have just discussed that the cyclicity of a leap year is 4 years, maybe. Okay, so if X is a leap year, then X plus 4 may be a leap year. Okay, so plus 4 years. Okay, so the next leap year might be 2100. Now, is 2100 a leap year? As per rule, no, this is a century year. So for a given century year, it should be divisible by 400. But this is not divisible by 400. So 2100 is not a leap year. Okay, then what can be the next leap year? Plus 4, add 4 again. So it will be 2104. Is 2104 a leap year? Yes. Okay, so it's not mandatory that if X is a leap year, then X plus 4 is a leap year. No. Okay, it can be X plus 4 or X plus 8. Okay, when is this not valid? When you have a century year which is not divisible by 400. Okay, then this cyclicity of 4 will not be there. Or can someone tell me what will be the maximum gap between two leap years? Maximum gap. Perfect. Using this logic, the maximum gap between any two leap years will be 8 years. Clear? This is asked in one of the CRT exams. What is the maximum gap between two leap years? So everyone answer that as 4, but the answer is 8. Clear? Any doubts? Quick responses, please. So till now, no doubts. Perfect. Yeah, no doubts. Now let's move to the important concept, odd days. Okay, now what is this? What do you think this table is? Calendar of a month, isn't it? This is a calendar of a month which has 31 days. So let me consider this as calendar of January because it has 31 days. Okay, now if I say 1st Jan is on Monday, okay, then observe 8 is also Monday, 15 is also Monday, 22 is also Monday, and 29 is also Monday. So what is constant between them? 7. Okay, these form a series, isn't it? Okay, with difference 7. So 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 7 22, 22 plus 7 is 29. Why is that difference 7? Why is that difference? Perfect. A week has 7 days, isn't it? So I can say that a day of a week repeats after 7 days, isn't it? Same for Tuesday also. The difference is also again 7. Now, now if I tell you 1st of Jan is on Monday, and if I ask you on what day of the week is 25th Jan, okay. So by looking at the calendar, what will be your answer? Thursday. Okay, so now we have looked at the calendar and have answered this question. But in exam, you might not have time to write this calendar and determine what day of the week is 25th, isn't it? Now, without using calendar, can we determine if we are given with Jan 1st? Can we determine what day of the week is 25th? How? How? So what do you want? What do you need to do? Plus 7 and go on. Reminder when divided by 7, take reminder. Okay. Adding 7. Okay. Okay. Let's discuss this. Okay. So I told you 1st Jan is Monday. And I asked you to determine 25th Jan. What day of the week is 25th Jan? Okay. Take reminder to find odd days. Okay. To which number will we take the reminder? You should know that, kada. Yeah, taking reminder is nothing but odd days. Okay, so to what should you take reminder when divided by 7? Okay, 25 by 7. Is it 25 by 7? Okay, 25 by 7 reminder is 4. Okay, then 4 corresponds to Thursday. No, it's not like that. It is not like that. Now, guys, can I have your attention, please? Everyone? Yes. So always remember one thing, odd days will be calculated for completed days. Okay, so from 1st Jan to 25th Jan, how many completed days do we have? 24 or 25? Perfect, 24. Okay, so please don't get confused, it's not 25. Okay, for example, let us see. So you are sitting in a row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you are sitting here. Okay, this is 5th from the left hand. Okay, so how many persons are sitting to your left? It is 4, not 5, isn't it? Okay, the same logic we can apply here. Okay, so we need to determine the number of completed days from 1st to 25th. So in this time range, we have 24 completed days. Okay, now we need to determine the number of odd days in these 24 completed days. How do we determine number of odd days? You already said that. Okay, divide 24 by 7 and find the remainder. Why are we dividing it with 7? Because we have 7 days a week. The cyclicity of a day is 7. A day repeat itself after 7 days, isn't it? So what is the remainder when 24 divided by 7? 3, isn't it? Remainder is 3. So we have 3 odd days. Okay, now what we have to do, we are given with a reference date, which is Monday. So add 3 to Monday. If you add 3 to Monday, then what will you get? Monday plus 3, Thursday. Okay, or you can also do one thing: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, give represent one Monday with 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday, Saturday 6, Sunday 7 or 0. Okay, so Monday is 1, isn't it? Number of odd days are 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 corresponds to Thursday. So I can say that 25th Jan will be Thursday. Did you understand this, guys? Concept of odd days? Okay. So now we have used the formula 24 divided by 7. We have determined the odd days. Now in this calendar, can someone tell me what are those odd days? Yeah, I'm telling you now. What are these 3 days? Why did we add 3? What are these 3 odd days? These are nothing but 22, 23, and 24. We got 3 odd days, isn't it? What are those 3 odd days? 22, 23, and 24. Yes. So because of these 3 days, okay, the given day is shifted by 3 days and it is Thursday now. Yeah, we are getting a same day if we divide 25 by 7. Then fine. Then consider first of Jan as Wednesday. Then divide. If first of Jan is Wednesday, then what will day of the week of 25th? Will it remain Thursday? For example, if you are dividing by 27, you are getting 4. Okay, but okay, that is because we have considered first as Monday. Then consider first of Jan as Wednesday. And again, you will divide 25 by 7. You will get the remainder 4. Will it be Thursday? No. Did you get the logic? It will be Sunday, isn't it? Did you understand that? So simply dividing 25 by 7 and taking the remainder will not give you the right answer. In this case, you are getting because we are starting on Monday. Clear, guys? Any doubts? Quick responses. So we have understood, we have determined how to find the number of odd days and what are those odd days. Those odd days are nothing but those days because of which the day of the week has shifted. Then we have to take Wednesday as 1. No. How can you take Wednesday as 1? Take Wednesday as 3. Okay, Wednesday is 3 and number of odd days. Number of odd days are 3. Okay. Sorry, it will be Friday, not Sunday. Sorry, it will be Saturday, not Sunday. So 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 corresponds to Saturday. My bad. Okay. If first is Wednesday, then you want me to solve this question. Okay. Guys, the concept remains same. Okay. For example, someone want me to solve if 1st of January is Wednesday. Okay. If 1st of January is Wednesday and we need to determine 25th Jan. So you will be having 24 completed days. Now we need to find the number of odd days in these 24 days. divide this by 7 and find the remainder. Remainder is 3. Okay, remainder is 3. So add these 3 to Wednesday. So Wednesday, the given reference date plus 3. So Wednesday, the number for 3 Wednesday is 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and Saturday corresponds to number 6. Is it clear? Amma, I am not considering that third is Wednesday here. First Jan is Wednesday. Here first Jan is Wednesday, not third. Okay, for example, if you need to determine date of 22. Okay, so first Jan is, let us take first Jan is Monday. Okay, you need to determine 22nd Jan. Now, how many completed days do we have? 21 is 21 completed days. Now what is the remainder when 21 divided by 7? Guys, it's not 1. Remainder is 0, isn't it? So you have 0 odd days. So add Monday, 0 to Monday. It will be Monday only. So 22 Jan is on Monday. Add the number of odd days to that reference day. No, odd days doesn't mean they are completed days. Okay, so odd days are the days because of which the day got shifted. Now, for example, if you do not have these 3 odd days, okay, then 25th of January will be on Monday. Why did it shift to Thursday? It has shifted by 3 days, isn't it? Those 3 are called odd days. Did you understand this now? ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ మండే. ఓకే, సో 25th మండే ఆడ్ డేస్ లేవనుకోండి, 25th విల్ బి మండే. బట్ 25th మండే కాదు కదా, థర్స్డే. ఎందుకు థర్స్డే అయ్యింది? బికాజ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ షిఫ్టెడ్ బై 3 days. Okay, now what are these 3 days? These 3 days are called odd days because of which the day of the week has shifted by 3 days. Clear? What are odd days if you consider first and 22? Odd days are 0. Okay, because number of completed days are 21. Remainder when 21 is divided by 7 is 0, isn't it? Okay, yeah. We will discuss the concepts in the questions also. Let's not solve all the questions here. First, let's understand the concept and then we'll start solving questions. Then your concept. Okay, guys. Now, can someone tell me what are the number of odd days in a given year? For a given normal year, what are the number of odd days?
1, sir.
1. So how do you find the number? The normal year will have 365 completed days, isn't it? Divide 365 by 7. Okay, so what is the remainder when 365 divided by 7? The remainder is 1. So in a normal year, we will be having 1 odd day. Okay, so did you observe something? For example, in 2000, if your birthday is on Monday, then in 2014 your birthday will be on Tuesday. Did anyone observe this? ఎవరైనా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? బికాజ్ ఐ యూస్ టు డూ దిస్ వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ ఎ కిడ్. నా బర్త్డే ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, చాక్లెట్లు పంచే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుందా లేదా కదా. సండే వస్తే ఫుల్ బోర్, సండే వస్తే ఇంకా కర్మరా దేవుడా అని వదిలేసేవాళ్ళు. ఓకే, నౌ వై డూ వీ హ్యావ్ దిస్ షిఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ 1 day? Okay, it is because of this 1 odd day. That is because of this 1 odd day, and because of this 1 odd day only the calendar of every year changes. ఇప్పుడు odd days లేవనుకోండి, the calendar will remain same కదా. Why do we have calendar changing every year? Because of this 1 odd day. ఇప్పుడు 2013 Jan 1st Wednesday అయింది అనుకోండి. Okay, 2014 Jan 1st will be Thursday. Okay, so the entire calendar year changes. That is because of this one odd day. Okay, this is for a which year? Normal year. In case of a leap year, for example, leap year has how many odd days?
2, sir.
2. Okay, so 366 by 7. Find the remainder. What is remainder? 2. Okay, ఇప్పుడు 2012 లోని, okay, for example your birth, okay, let us consider Jan 1st. If Jan 1st of 2012 is on Monday, okay, then what will be Jan 1st of 2013? Wednesday. Perfect. It will be Wednesday. There will be a shift of 2 days. Okay, ఇందులో కూడా చిన్న ట్రాప్ ఉంటుంది that we will discuss while practicing the problems. Now, did you understand this? One odd day and 2 odd days. 64 unte no change. But do we have any year which has 364 days? No. We do not have any year which has 364 days. Okay. So 364 days అనుకోండి ఇయర్ లో, then the calendar will remain same. మీరు మండే పుడితే ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ మీకు మండేనే వస్తుంది బర్త్డే. ఓకే, అలా ఉండుంటే సండే పుట్టిన వాళ్ళకి పాపం కదా. Yes. Now we have seen odd days with respect to normal year and leap year. Now with respect to months. Okay, now ఇప్పుడు if Jan 1st is on Monday, then February 1st will be on, just by looking at this calendar you can tell that. ఈ క్యాలెండర్ చూసి చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్. Okay, if Jan 1st is on Monday, then February starts from Thursday, isn't it? Okay, now if you observe, there is a shift of 3 days. Why 3 days? How many days do we have in January? 31 days. So divide 31 by 7. What is the remainder? Remainder is 3. Okay, so in the month of January we will be having 3 odd days because Jan has 31 days. Clear? Is this point clear? Yeah. So for every month which has 31 days, the number of days will be 3. You can observe that. For all the months which have 31 days, the number of odd days will be 3. For example, ఇది March అనే అనుకోండి. If March 1st is on Monday, then April 1st will be on Thursday. Okay. Now, for example, if a month has 30 days, let me consider this month to be April, which has 30 days. So 31 అనేది లేదు. Okay. Then if April 1st is on Monday, then May 1st will be on Wednesday. May 1st will be on Wednesday, isn't it? So how? We have 2 odd days. 30. What is the remainder when 30 divided by 7? 2. So for all the months which have 30 days, the number of odd days will be 2. Okay. Now coming to February. Okay. For a non-leap year. Now let us say for non-leap year. Non-leap year we will be having only 28 days. So whenever you have 28 days in the month of February, if Feb 1st is on Monday, what are the total number of odd days in 28 days? No odd days, isn't it? Remainder is 0. Okay, so you will be having March 1st starting on Monday. So in a normal year, okay, the number of odd days in the month of February are 0. Okay, whereas in a leap year, February will be having 29 days. So you will be having March 1st starting on Tuesday. Okay, so in a leap year, the number of odd days in the month of February are 1. Yeah, leap year, February has one odd day. Clear, guys? Did you understand now why the calendar changes every year? What is the importance of odd days? Clear? Okay. సో ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ అంటే క్లాస్ ముందు కన్నా ఇప్పుడు మీకు కొంచెం క్యాలెండర్స్ మీద అవగాహన వచ్చింది. ఎస్, యూ లెర్న్ సంథింగ్ న్యూ కదా. గ్రేట్. Now moving ahead. Now let's solve this question. So how many odd days are there in 120 days? I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay, you don't need 30 seconds for that. Okay, unanimous answers. Six. Guys, please avoid calculation mistakes. Okay na? So calendars లో calculation mistakes అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. So please try to avoid calculation mistakes. Okay, yeah, the answer is it should be 1. Okay, how many odd days are there in 120 days? So in a given complete 120, find the number of odd days, divide this by 7, find the remainder. Guys, we always concentrate on remainder only. Okay, don't consider quotient or divisor. Okay, always concentrate on remainder. What is remainder when 120 divided by 7? 1, because I know 119 is divisible by 7. Okay, so the answer for this question should be 1. Yeah, Ravindra, we will be discussing those type of questions in the class. So let's go with the flow. Okay, any doubts, guys? So if you have any doubts in calendars, it's okay. You can ask me at the end of the class. But let's go with the flow. Okay. Yeah. So again, I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay, unanimous answer for this question. Yeah, easy one. 2. No. How will we determine number of odd days in a general year? Okay, what did we do? Okay, for a normal year, we have 365 days. To determine the number of odd days, we have divided this with 7 and we have find the remainder, which is 1. So what was followed here? Total days of a year divided by days in a week. Okay, so in some planet or in some country, okay, they will be following this rule. So a year for them will have 541 days and every week has 10 days. Okay, so what is the remainder? 1. Okay, so the answer for this question should also be 1. Okay, so what is this calendar called? The calendar that we are following now. 7 days a week and 365 days a year. What is that called? Any answer? This is called, any answers? No. Yes. Gregorian calendar. Perfect. The calendar which we are following is called Gregorian calendar. Perfect. Any doubts? Quick responses. No. Okay, moving ahead. So I'll give you again, I will give you 1 minute to solve this question. Yeah, so we have majority of the answers as 5. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, 5 and cannot be determined. 5 and cannot be determined. Yeah. See, there is a trap in this question, guys, and most of you fell in the trap. Okay, now, so we need to find the odd days in a given year and 130 days. Okay, so we have 1 year plus 130 days. Now let's find the number of odd days. Now, what are the number of odd days in 130 days? Can someone tell me that? What are the number of odd days in 130 days? 4 kada. 126 is divisible by 7. So the remainder should be 4. So in 130 days, the remainder will be 4. So you will be having 4 odd days in 130 days. Now, coming to this year. Okay. So how many odd days do we have in a year? 1. Are you sure? Okay. Are you sure that a given year will have 1 odd day? No. Okay. It can be 1 or 2. Okay. So if the given year is a normal year, then in 1 year 130 days the total number of odd days will be 5. Perfect, which most of you people have sent me. But what if in case of a leap year? If the given year is a leap year, then you will be having 6 odd days, isn't it? No, now you don't know what type of a year is that. Okay, now if I tell you how many odd days are there in 2020 and 130 days, then what will be your answer? How many odd days will be you have in a year? Like in 2020 and extra 130 days. Then your answer will be 6, because 2020 is a leap year. Okay, now we can have a definite answer when you are given with a year. But here, this year can be a leap year and can be a normal year. So we do not have an answer. So the answer will be cannot be determined. Or if you have, instead of cannot be determined, if the option is either A or B, then the answer should be option D. Yes? Clear, guys? Any doubts, quick responses? Yeah, no doubts. Now moving ahead. Again, I will give you 30 seconds. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. Okay, Saturday, Saturday. So we have two responses, Saturday and Friday. Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Friday. Again, you fell in a trap. Okay. What did I tell you at the start? Odd days, దేని మీద calculate చేస్తాం? On completed days. Perfect. Please don't forget that. Okay. Now, if today is Wednesday, this is today. And if today is Wednesday, okay, what will be 87th day from today? We are asked to determine 87th day from today. Now tell me, and 18 between today and 87th day, how many completed days do we have? We will be having only 86 completed days. Okay, so we need to calculate number of odd days in these 86 completed days. Okay, so what is the remainder when 86 divided by 7? I guess 2, isn't it? 86 divisible by 7, so the remainder is 2. So add 2 to Wednesday. So Wednesday number is 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 corresponds to Friday. So the answer for this question should be Friday. Okay, so please be careful when you see 87th day or 25th day. That's what we have done for Jan 25th as well. Okay, odd days will be calculated always on completed days. Clear? Any doubts? Quick responses. No. No, ma, you can try. 87th day will be Friday only. You can check with your calendar also. Okay, 87th day will be Friday. I'm not talking after 87 days. I'm talking about 87th day. Okay, clear? Yeah. So if today is Friday, what day of the week? 38 days ago. Guys, ago and it's before. Wait, I have a question here. Ma, can you just ask your question in mic? Because I'm getting many responses. So if today is Monday, you have asked third or second day. Okay, so after this question, okay, please ask your question in mic. We'll reply that. Now, guys, so if today is Friday, okay, so today, what day of the week is 38 days before? So you have 38 days and you need to determine this day. You need to determine which day of the week. Okay, let this be X. Now, do we have 38 complete days or 37 complete days? No, we have 38 complete days. It's not, guys, it's not 38th day from today. Okay, it is 38 days before. Okay, so before 38 days, what was the day? So we here in this question we have 38 complete days. So this day is nothing but 39th day from today before. Okay, so what are the total number of odd days in 38 days? 38 by 7. What is the remainder? Remainder is 3. Okay, so if I consider that X, so I can say X plus 3. If this is X day, X plus 3 is equal to Friday. Or you can directly subtract 3 from Friday. So when you subtract 3 from Friday, okay, what is the answer? It is Friday. For example, if you are getting confused with respect to days, convert the days into number. That's one solution. That's how I do that. The number corresponding to Friday is 5, subtract 3, the answer is 2, and 2 corresponds to Tuesday, isn't it? So the answer for this question should be Tuesday. So if today is Friday, then the day 38 days ago is Tuesday. Clear, guys? Any doubts, quick responses? Sir, when we say 1 day ago, it will be yesterday. 5 plus 3 is Monday. 5 plus 3 is Monday. How is that Monday? 5 plus 3. So what is 5? So this is 1 day, 38 days ago. So you need to subtract. So instead of 5 plus 3, it should be 5 minus 3. Clear? Yeah. So since why can't it be 37? One minute, I got a doubt. So if it is meant that one day ago, for example, if today is Wednesday, okay, if you ask one day ago, what will you do? Okay, you will be calculating the remainder when 1 is divided by 7. Kada. You do not subtract 1. Okay, I have got this question. If today is Wednesday, what is one day ago? Will it be Wednesday or Tuesday? It will be Tuesday. How did you get Tuesday? Okay, one day ago you have considered that one day, you have divided that number by 7, you have got remainder as 1 and you have subtracted it. Isn't it? Did you understand this? Someone asked me that one day ago thing. Yes. Now same logic applies here also. Kada 38 days ago. So 38 by 7. Remainder is 3. Subtract 3. Done. Did you understand it? Yeah. So what's the answer for this question? Perfect. The answer should be cannot be determined. Why is that cannot be determined? Now if a year starts on Monday, so if Jan 1st is on Monday, then what day of the week is? What's the date? Okay. I think it is 26th March, or just wait. What day of the week is 26th March? Perfect. Now in a given year, I can say that you will be having 3 odd days in January and 26th March. So 25 completed days in March. Okay. So it will be, what is 21 when divided by 7? What's the remainder? 25 divided by 7. Remainder is 4. 4 odd days in March, and we have February in between. Now, how many odd days do we have in February? It can be either 0 or 1. Isn't it? Okay. So we cannot have a definite answer for this because we do not know the given year is a leap year or not. Now, instead of a year, if an year starts on Monday, instead of that, if 2017 starts on Monday, then if you are asked to determine the day of 26th March, then we will be able to do that. Isn't it? Okay. But for a given year, you cannot determine whether the given year is a leap year or not. Okay. So the answer for this is cannot be determined. Clear, guys? Any doubts? Quick responses. Guys, if you have any doubts, okay, నేను ఏమంటానంటే టేక్ ఎ సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఓకే, ఒక 8 days ఎగోనో లేదంటే 2 days ఎగోనో తీసుకోండి. సింపుల్ తీసుకుని ఇఫ్ యూ అంటే సేమ్ ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆడ్ డేస్ కదా. ఓకే, if it is given that 2017, okay, we will discuss that. How to find అనేది we have a problem, we will find that. Okay, అన్ని మోడల్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Okay, so at the end of the class if you have any doubts, then ask me. ఇది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం సార్, అది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం సార్, we have for every model. Okay, కొన్ని ఇక్కడ వరకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? Till here if you have any doubts, then ask me. Otherwise, okay, we have that model coming up in the further class, then we will discuss. Okay, yeah, any doubts till here? No. So okay, moving ahead. Now I'll give you again 30 seconds to answer this. We'll discuss after 30 seconds. So మీకు ఇక్కడ వరకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. ఓకే, యా. Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday. Okay. Thursday, Wednesday. So we have two answers coming up, either Thursday or Wednesday. Guys. Okay, now I want your attention, everyone's attention, please. Your attention, everyone. E question law. Because there might be a trap. Okay. Yes or no? Quick responses. Yes. Okay. Let's discuss this. Now, if 1st Jan 1992, if 1st Jan 1992 is on Tuesday, okay, then 1st Jan 1993 will be on what day? What's the answer? The answer should be Thursday. How did you get Thursday? Why is the answer Thursday? Leap year. Okay, so you have added 2. We have discussed that for a leap year you will perfect. So that's the reply I got from 31 people. Oh, great. Okay, so a leap year will have 2 odd days. So you have added 2 for this. So this will be Thursday. Perfect. Excellent. So the answer is Thursday. Now I have a question for you guys. I have a question for you. Now, if I say that 1st March 1992 is Tuesday. Okay, let us consider same day. Then what will be 1st March 1993?
Wednesday, sir.
Wednesday. Wednesday or Thursday?
Wednesday, sir.
Why? Because in the previous problem, you said that 1992 is a leap year and you have added 2. But here, why are you adding 1?
February is
Feb-
not included.
Perfect.
Gone, sir.
So that is February is not included. Perfect. So that is one check that we need to do. Okay. Now let's discuss this. If 1st March 1992 is on Tuesday, then 1st March 1993 will be on Wednesday, not Thursday. Okay. So when you get these type of questions, first, if 1st Jan 1992 is something and 1st Jan 1993, first determine whether do we have a leap year in any of these given years or not. Okay. 1992 and 1993. 1993 is not a leap year. 1992 is a leap year. Perfect. Okay. And what is the gap between 1st Jan and 1st Jan 1993? How many days do we have? You have exactly 1 year, isn't it? Between these 2 days, you have exactly 1 year. Okay. So every year will have 1 odd day for sure. Normal year lo kuda 1 odd day untundi, leap year lo kuda 1 odd day untundi. Okay. And 1992 is a leap year. Now we have to check. The second step is, do we have 29th Feb 1992 in this given time? అంటే ఈ డ్యూరేషన్ లో do we have February 29th February 1992 ఉన్నదా? Yes. From 1st Jan 1992 to 1st Jan 1993, yes, we do have February 29th 1992. So because of this extra day, I will be adding 1. So in total, you are having 2 odd days in this leap year. So the answer is Thursday. Now second problem, 1st March 1992 and 1st March 1993. So we have one complete year. Okay, so you will be having 1 odd day for sure. We don't know when is odd day. Guys, you know there will be 1 odd day for an year. Kada? If it's a leap year, then you will be having 2 odd days. Why do we have 1 extra odd day in a leap year? That is because of February 29th only. Feb 29th ledanukondi, you will be having 1 odd day, isn't it? What if odd day is in January? We'll come to that question later. Okay, I will also explain that. Guys, if you have any questions, just speak, because the screen is getting this. Okay, So in one complete year, we have one odd day for sure. Now, 1992 is a leap year. Now, do we have 29th February 1992 here between this time range? Unnada leda? Please do speak.
No, sir.
No. Kada. So 29th February ఎప్పుడైతే లేదో we do not have this odd day. So the answer will be Tuesday plus 1, Wednesday. Okay. Now someone asked me a beautiful question. Again it got stuck. Okay. Now someone asked me a beautiful question. Okay. So if Jan 1991, Jan 1st 1991 is on Sunday, then what will be Jan 1st 1992? Please do speak. Reply in mic. Don't type in the chat box.
Monday, sir.
Monday.
Monday.
Sunday.
Okay. The
Monday.
logic will be again the same. First, ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏమైనా లీప్ ఇయర్స్ ఉన్నాయేమో చూడండి. 1991 is this a leap year? No. 1992, yes, this is a leap year. This is a leap year, isn't it? Okay. Okay. So, do we have Feb 29, 1992? Unnada ఈ time frame లో from Jan 1st 1991 and Jan 1st 1992? No, we don't have that. Okay. So ఇది లేనప్పుడు ఎన్ని odd days ఉంటాయి? Only one. So the answer will be Monday. Now second scenario, if 1st March 1991 is Sunday, then what day of the week will be 1st March 1992?
Tuesday.
It will be Tuesday. Again same logic. Is it leap year? No, this is not a leap year. Is this a leap year? Yes, this is a leap year. Do we have Feb 29, 1992 in between them? Yes. So you will be having two odd days. So the answer will be Tuesday. Is your doubt clear? The one who asked me this. Yes or no? Quick responses. My quick response. Is your doubt clear? Yes. Okay. Okay. So concept will be same. Concept ఎప్పుడు సేమే. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కొంచెం కేర్ఫుల్ గా ఉండండి. So can I move to next question, guys? Yes. Yeah. So moving ahead. So if 1st April, ఎవరు అడిగారు ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్? 1st April of 2000 on Jan 1st Monday అయితే what will be August 8th? Or someone asked me this question. So I'll give you 1 minute to solve this. We'll discuss this after 1 minute. If Feb 29th of 2020 is Saturday, then what is Feb 28th of 2021? So instead of taking Feb 29th, take March 1st of 2020. Take March 1st of 2020. Determine March 1st of 2021. Subtract 1. Done, gada. See, any complex questions can be solved in an easy way. Okay. So I got one question. Feb 29th of 2020 is on Sunday. What is Feb 28th of 2021? So I can make this question simple. Instead of concentrating on Feb 29th, if Feb 29th 2020 is on Sunday, 1st March will be Monday. Okay. So if 1st March 2020 is Monday, we can determine that 1st March 2021 will be Tuesday. Isn't it? If 1st March 2021 is Tuesday, then 28th February will be Monday. Simple. So make question complicated and you can make it simple, Nana. Clear? Yeah. Now coming to this question. So if 1st April 2003 was Monday, okay. So 1st April, we are given with April 2003 was Monday. Then we need to find 25th December 2003. Now how to proceed with this question? Yala chestar. Now tell me the concept. How will you do that? Can someone speak? What should be done?
Fine. 1st December of 2003.
Okay. So what has to
And
be done? అంటే నాకు అంటే ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి ఎట్లా వస్తుంది మనకి
Month.
Find the total completed days.
Okay, so before going to total completed days, I can say that you need to find the total number of odd days here. You need to find the total number of odd days. Okay, add this to Monday and you will get 25th December. Antena? We need to find total number of completed days. Find the total number of odd days. Okay, divide that by 7. Find the remainder, add it to Monday. Now tell me how many of you calculated total number of days? April lo 30, May lo 31st, June lo 30, July 31st, August 31st. How many of you added all these? Everyone chesara? Please, you can raise your hands. Okay, so do we have to do that? Is my question.
No, sir.
Do we have to find the total number of completed days and find the number of odd days? No, that is not required. Instead, what I will do is, we have total number of odd days for each month, isn't it? April lo 2, May lo 3, June lo 2, July 3, August 3, September 2, October 3, November 2, and we are calculating 25th December. So we will be having 24 completed days in the month of December. Okay, so add all these. 2 plus 3, 5, 5, 10, then 15 and 20. So 20 plus 24, which is 44. Now I will find the total number of odd days in these 44 days. Okay, what are the total number of odd days? 44 divided by 7, find the remainder. What is the remainder? 2. The remainder is 2. Okay, so given that 1st April was Monday, add 2 to Monday, the answer is Wednesday. Sir, ilana cheyala ante you can also do that in the previous way also, but to avoid calculations you can use this. See, we can also do by calculating odd days up to December 25 is 365 minus 7. Okay, 365 minus 7. Are we given with Jan 1st, Harsha, or April 1st? If you are given with Jan 1st as Monday, then you can do that. But you are given with April 1st, isn't it? For December, how it is 24 odd days? From December 1st to December 25th, how many completed days do we have? Why did I take 24 here? What are these 24? Completed days. And I am telling you from the start that odd days will be calculated on completed days only. Ante kada. So in April, why do we have 2 odd days? Because April has 30 complete days, isn't it? Is that clear, Nalini? Yeah, you can also do that. So instead of adding 24, Okay, till December 24, you will be having 3 odd days. Okay, instead of 24, you can also take 3. Then what will be the sum? It will be 23. Okay, what will be the remainder when 23 divided by 7? 2. Kada. Yeah, that also can be done. Clear? Guys, any doubts in this question? Quick response. నేను ఇక్కడ 24 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాను అంటే టు లెట్ యు నో దట్ వి ఆర్ ఓన్లీ కన్సిడరింగ్ ద కంప్లీటెడ్ డేస్. క్లియర్? ఓకే. సో మూవింగ్ అహెడ్. యా. How to calculate if 6th March 2005 Monday, then what day of the week is 6th March 2004? We have done a similar problem like this. Okay, so yeah, if we have time at the end of the session, we'll discuss. Otherwise, we have just discussed a similar problem like that. Because we have one important model to cover, ma. Okay, so okay, if Jan 1st 2012 is a Sunday, then which day of the week will be celebrated, a new year be celebrated in 2016? Okay, easy question. Now 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2016. Okay, now Jan 1st is on Sunday and we are talking about only Jan 1st. Clear? Now if Jan 1st 2012 is Sunday, what day of the week will be Jan 1st 2013? Can someone reply that?
Tuesdays.
Tuesday, sir.
Tuesday. This we have discussed in the previous question. Determine any of the leap year, 2 years is a leap year or not? Yes, 2012 is a leap year. Now, do we have February 29th, 2012 in between these two dates? Yes. So there will be 2 odd days. So Sunday plus 2, it will be Tuesday. Now 2013, is this a leap year? No. 2014, leap year? No. So it will have only 1 odd day. So this will be Wednesday. Same, 2014 is not a leap year, 2015 is not a leap year. So you will be having only 1 odd day. So Thursday. So 2015 is Thursday, 2016 a leap year. Yes. So how many odd days do we have between 2015 and 2016? 1 or 2?
One, sir.
One.
1. Because 2016 is a leap year. But do we have Feb 2016, 29th? No, we do not have this. So only 1. So the answer for this question should be Friday. Clear, guys? Any doubts? Quick responses. Okay. Now I have a question for you. Okay. Now how many odd days will be there from 2001 to 2013? So 2001, 2002, 2003, both included. 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012 and 2013. How many odd days do we have from 2001 to 2013?
16.
Yeah. 16. 16 or 15?
16, sir.
Okay, let's see.
15.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. So am I audible and is the screen visible? Yes. Okay. So 2003 completed. 2013 completed. Now in 2001, you'll be having one odd day. 2002, non-leap year 1, 2003 1, 2004 2, 2005 1, 2006 1, 7 1, 8 2, 9 1, 10 1, 11 1, 12 2, and 13 1. Okay. So what is the sum? 3 5. 3 plus 2, 5, 10, 15 plus 16. So we have 16 odd days, or I can say 2 odd days. Now, if I say from 2001 to 2085, how many of you determine like this? How many of you determine like this? How many of you did like this? Okay. Yeah, from 2001 నుంచి 2013 అంటే only 13 years kada. So okay, it's easy. What if I say from 2001 to 2085? Then how will you do that?
By calculating leap years.
By calculating the years.
Leap years.
Leap years. Okay. అప్పుడు మనకి ఇలా చేయాలంటే కష్టం అవుతుంది కదా.
AP sir.
Okay.
85 by 4, sir.
85 by 4. Okay. Let's see. We have a formula to determine that. Now I want your attention, please. Everyone. Now, can I say that every year will have one odd day for sure, whether it is a given year or normal year? Yes. So the number of odd days will be, for every year you will be having one odd day for sure. So 1 into n. Okay. And there will be one extra odd day in every leap year, isn't it? Because 2004 also have one odd day, 2008 one odd day, 2012 one odd day. Since 2004, 2008 and 2012 are leap years, they will be having one more odd day. Okay, so I can say that number of years plus number of leap years will give us the total number of odd days. Yes or no? Number of years plus number of leap years, which have one extra odd day. Okay, so here, how many years do we have? We have 13. Perfect. Plus how will we determine total number of leap years? 13 by 4. Okay, fine. But you are getting a decimal here. Okay, so you can determine number of leap years by considering only the integral part of this. Okay, so 13 plus, what is integral part? Do you know what is integer part? Yes. For example, if we have a number 2.5, if you apply integral function, this 2.5 has two parts, one integer and other one is decimal. Okay, so when you have integral function, ignore this decimal. Okay, and you need to consider only the integer part. Yeah, so what is 13 divided by 4? It is 3.5. So ignore this 0.5. So the total number of odd days will be 13 plus 3, 16. The same we have got here. Okay, clear guys? Any doubts, quick responses? Any doubts, quick responses, please. Why do we write 13 by 4? Because we are counting number of leap years. How do you get number of leap years? The given time range by 4. Yeah, if you have a century year also, it will be same process, but there is only one limitation. Okay, there is one limitation. I am coming to that. If you have a century year in the middle, also the same process, but we have a one limitation in this question. Okay, what is that? Okay, this starting year should be a next year to be for a century year or a leap year. Start year ఏదైతే ఉందో, okay, it should be next year to a century year or it should be a leap year. That's it. అదే అంటున్నాను, from 2004 to 2016 అంటే there is a limitation in this ఇది where when to use this. The start year should be a next year to a leap year or a next year to a century year. Okay, so I know that you are prepared with calendars. Okay, so మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ చేయనివ్వండి. So this is the limitation. For example, if you are asked to determine the total number of leap years from 2004 to 2013 ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి, then what will I do? I will count the total number of odd days from 2005 to 2013. Did you get the point? So 5L5. Did you understand that? If you are asked to determine the number of odd days from 2004 to 2016 ఉన్నారు అనుకోండి, then what will I do? I will calculate from 2005 to 2016. Okay, plus I will add 2. Then I will get the total number of odd days in from 2004 to 2016. Clear? Yes, that's the reason I told here that this year should be next year to a century year or a. Okay, now we will be using this. This will be used only in one model. I will tell you where. But did you understand why we have done this? Did you understand this? Yes or no? Amma, if you are asked to determine the number of odd days from 1897 to some year, you have a century year in between. Okay, then consider from 1901. Then consider from 1901 and find the number of odd days, kada? Isn't it? Yes or no? You can do it separately. If there is any century year in between, you can determine that from start to that year and from 1901 to this year. Who asked me this? Kirti. And okay, if there is a century year in between, you can count, and from that year to from the next year of the century year to the given year, isn't it? Now you need to consider this limitation. Okay, it should be a next year to be a leap year or next year to a century year. Because the century year might be a leap year or might not be a leap year. Okay, so yeah, we'll discuss this in one model, then it will be clear. Okay, yeah. So next important, okay, we'll discuss that at the end of the class. దీని తర్వాత ఇంకో మోడల్ ఉంది, అప్పుడు it will be clear for you. Okay, then if it's not clear, then we'll explain. So you have 1 minute to answer this question. Guys, is it okay if I take 5 minutes extra today? Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you guys. Because there are many doubts coming in because of which I could not have avoided. So I will be taking 5 minutes extra and I will be leaving you by 10:50. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ముందే వచ్చేవి ఇప్పుడు అడిగేస్తున్నారు. Okay, so we have two responses here: April, June, and July. Okay, let's see. Now, tell me, when can I say that the given when 2 months will have same calendar year or same calendar month? What is the condition? But Jan, inka some other month, same calendar year undali ante, sorry, calendar month undarante first. Okay, they have to start on same day. Perfect. Start on same day. Now, in a leap year, which month will have same calendar year as January? So I am writing Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, and August. We are given till August. Okay. Now Jan will have 3 days, 3 odd days. Okay. February in a leap year. So Feb will have 1 odd day, March 3, April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, and August 3. Now let us consider Jan is starting on Monday. Let us consider Jan is starting on Monday. Okay. If Jan is starting on Monday, so Feb will be Monday. Okay, March will be Thursday plus 1, Friday, and April will be Friday plus 3. It will be again Monday, isn't it? Now, okay, we have Jan and April starting on same day. Can I say that both will have same calendar month? Yes or no? No. Okay, because we have only considered one criteria. There is also one more criteria. What is that? Yes, number of days should be same. Okay, both the months should have same number of days. Okay, why? Jan 1st Jan to 31st Jan. Okay, and April will be having 1st April. Do we have 31st April? No, 30th April. The calendar will be same till 30th Jan, but you have one extra day here. Okay, because of which I can say that both the months will not have same calendar months. Okay, so this is not April. Okay, so how many odd days do we have in April? 2. So 1st of May will be Monday plus 2 Wednesday. How many odd days in May? 3. So Wednesday plus 3. This is Saturday. Okay, and Saturday plus 2. You have 2 odd days in June. So Saturday 2 plus 2 is again Monday. So 1st of July is on Monday. So Jan and July are starting on same day. And January is having 31 days and July is also having 31 days. So these two criteria or these two conditions are satisfied between Jan and July. So I can say that January and July are having the same calendar month. Clear?
Sir, it's
Any doubt?
given leap year, no, sir.
Like, tell me, ma.
Leap year అని ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్.
So leap year అంటే ఫిబ్రవరిలో one odd day ఉంటుంది కదా. For a non-leap year, it's 0. For leap year,
2 days.
you'll be having, yes.
2 days.
Is it clear? What's your doubt? Is it clear? In a leap year అన్నాడు కాబట్టి we have considered one odd day in February. Yeah, clear. Guys, any doubts in this question? Quick responses. No. What about August? August will be having Monday plus 3. So Thursday. August will be starting on Thursday. So it cannot be August. Will October same, sir? You determine will October is same or not. I'm moving to next question. So as per the question, my job is done till here. Okay, October same annadi మీరు find out చేయండి. Okay, now coming to this question, I'm giving this as I'm leaving this as a homework because this also uses same logic. When can you say both years to have a same calendar year? They should start on same day. And do we have any other criteria? Same number of days or same type of a year. Okay, here 2002. 2002 is a non-leap year. So the next year also should be a non-leap year, isn't it? It should be same type of year. Clear, guys? So the answer for this question is 2013. Okay, so please try this. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss this in one of the following classes. Okay. Did you take a screenshot of this? Can I move to next question? Next model. Please do take a screenshot of this now. Now coming to the model which we have discussed at the start. Okay, if I ask you what day is 15th August 1947? Now till now we have been given a reference day. Reference day, teacher. For example, 1st of April is Monday, then determine 25th. Okay, appudu we have calculated the total number of odd days and we have determined that. Now what to do when you are given with a question like what day of the week is 15th August 1947? ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తే ఏం చేయాలి? Take today's reference. Okay, that's okay. Take today's reference. That might be cumbersome. Okay, for example, 1868 is that much is not required. So can I have your attention, guys? Quick responses. We'll discuss this and we'll call it a day. The most important method. Okay, now okay, so before starting, please understand that 111 is on Monday. Okay, the start of the Gregorian calendar is on Monday. So Gregorian calendar started with Monday. Okay, and to proceed, I want you to remember this. Just remember this table. Okay, this tells me that in every 100 years, the number of odd days are 5. In every 200 years, the number of odd days are 3. In every 300 years, the number of odd days are 1. And for in every 400 years, the number of odd days are 0. And from 0 to 100, you'll be having 5 odd days. From 0 to 200, you will be having 3 odd days. From 0 to 300, you will be having 1 odd day. And from 0 to 400, you will be having 0 odd days. So again, from 400, it will remain repeat same. From 400 to 500, you will have 1 odd day, and so on. Okay, so for every 100 years, you will be having 5 odd days. Every 200 years, 3. Every 300 years, 1. And every 400 years, 0. I want you to remember this table. Okay, and one more reference. Endante 1101 is on Monday kada. Okay, so consider 1 as Monday, which we have done. 2 represents Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Saturday, 5 Friday, and 6 Saturday. Okay, now guys, can I have your attention? Yeah, now I will divide this date into 3 parts: date, month, and year. Now I will explain you in empirical method and we'll discuss the concept later. Okay, the first thing what I will do is I will consider this year first. 1947. Okay, from 1947 I will subtract 1. Okay, this is most important step. Please don't forget this. So 1946. Now I will split this 1946 into 2 parts. 1900 and 46. Now first I will consider 1900. Okay, now how many 400 years can I accommodate in 1900? Any 400s మనం accommodate చేయొచ్చు? 4. Okay, 4 400s. Okay, first let us try to accommodate 400s, then we'll come to 300, then 200, and then 100. Okay, so I can write 1900 as 4 into 400, which is 1600, plus 300. Okay. Now, how many odd days do we have in 400 years? 0, isn't it? So 4 into 0, 0. How many odd days do we have in 300 years? 1. Okay. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So leave it here. Now coming to 46. Now, how many odd days do we have in 46 years? And the first year is 1901. It is starting from 1901. Here. Okay. So how can I do that? We have discussed this 46 plus 46 by 4, isn't it? So 46 plus what is this value? What is the integral part when 46 divided by 4? 11, isn't it? So 46 plus 11 is 57. Keep this aside. Now we are done with year, guys. Now coming to month. Okay, so from 1st Jan 1947 to August, how many completed months do we have? What are the completed months? Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. These are the completed months, isn't it? Okay, how many odd days do we have in Jan? 3. Now, is 1947 a leap year? No. 1947 is not a leap year. So you will be having 0 odd days in Feb. Again, 3 odd days in March, 2 odd days in April, 3 odd days in May, 2 in June, and 3 in July. What is the total? What is the total? Total of all this. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, isn't it? Okay. So let us consider 16. Put this aside. Now, third. Okay. Consider the date. Given is 15th August. Now, add all this. 1 plus 57 plus 16 plus 15. What is the total? What is the total? 89. Okay. Divide 89 by 7. What is the remainder? What is the remainder? When 89 divided by 7, 84 is divisible by 7. So the remainder is 5. And 5 corresponds to Friday. So the answer is Friday. Now, మీకు doubts వస్తాయి. నేను చెప్తాను. Why we have not subtracted 1? How many of you have this doubt? Sir, ఇంతకు ముందు వరకు we have subtracted 1 కదా? Okay, but why are we not doing here? Now let me explain. Is this method clear? First, ఈ మెథడ్ లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా చెప్పండి. It's not 14, it is 15. I will tell you one. Okay, ఈ మెథడ్ లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. Now we will discuss concept. Okay, now let us understand. Now, why did I subtract 1 here? From 1947, I asked you to subtract 1. Why? Why did we subtract 1? Yes. Okay, so before 1947 years, we have 1946 completed years. Okay, 1946 completed years. So let's find out the number of odd days in these 1946 completed years. So I have splitted this into 2 parts, century and normal, isn't it? Okay, so in 1900 years, how many odd days do we have? First, try to accommodate maximum 400s, then maximum 300s, then 200s, and then 100s. So we have 4 into 400, 1600. So 1600 years, the number of odd days will be 0. And 300 years, we have 1. Okay. Yeah, I will tell you, Nana. I will come to this point. నేను వస్తాను అక్కడికి వస్తాను. Okay. Yeah. So 0 plus 1. So in 1900 years, I can say that we have only 1 odd day. Clear? Is it clear? Any doubts? Quick response. Clear. Okay. Now, in 46 years, how many odd days do we have? So 46 plus 46 divided by 4. So 46 plus 11, 57. We will be having 57 odd days. Okay, this we have discussed earlier in this session. Okay, so ఇది clear, ఇక్కడ వరకు clear కదా, or any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Clear? Because we are calculating the number of odd days from 1901 to 1946. Okay, and this is next to a century year, so we can apply that formula. Okay, is it clear? Now we are calculating odd days from Jan to July. Next month తీసుకున్నాం కదా, so from Jan to July completed months we have calculated the odd days. So 16 odd days from Jan 1st 1947 to July 31st 1947. Clear? Okay, now why did I consider 15? I asked you to add 15. Okay, now my question is here, what is this 5? Is it 89 divided by 7 just the 5 వచ్చింది? Okay, did I tell that these 5 are odd days? ఈ 5 odd days అని చెప్పానా? లేదు కదా. What is this 5? This 5 is a reference number. This 5 is a reference number. Okay, this 5 is a reference number. Okay, that's why we need to consider 15th, because 1101 is on Monday అన్నాను నేను. Okay, if I subtract 1 from this should be Sunday kada. Okay, first is starting on Monday, so 1 Monday తీసుకున్నాం. Then you need to calculate for 15th. Please understand it here of odd days. We are calculating what is nth day. 15th ఏంటో మనం డిటర్మైన్ చేస్తాం. For that we are given with numbers. ఇప్పుడు first Monday అని ఇచ్చాను కదా, so we are calculating 15th with reference to that. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మండే అంటే ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సబ్ట్రాక్టింగ్ 1 from 1 and determining it as Sunday. No, మనం ఫస్ట్ మండే అనుకున్నప్పుడు we are calculating with reference to that. So if first is Monday, okay, then 15th ఏంటి అది. So that's the reason I am considering 15th here, 15 days. Here please understand that these 5 are not the number of odd days. We are not calculating the number of odd days. We are calculating some reference number to determine what day is 15th. ఇక్కడ వరకు we have calculated number of odd days, కానీ ఇక్కడ we are not calculating number of odd days. Okay, మీకు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆడ్ డేస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే then what can you do? You can subtract 1, 14. Okay, so 4 instead of 15 మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? 14 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 88. Okay, ఇక్కడ 88 అయిపోతుంది కదా. So what is reminder when 88 is divided by 7? 4. Then what should you do to this 4? You had to add 4 to Monday కదా. ఫస్ట్ మండే అయినప్పుడు you need to add 4 to this Monday. Okay, then the answer will be 5. So ఈ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఎందుకని, you can also consider this 15 directly and you will get a reference number as 5 and the answer is Friday. Did you understand it now? అర్థమైందా లేదా? మీకు ఆడ్ డేస్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటే 15 minus 1 చేయండి, 14 days. The remainder will be 4. Then you have to add 4 to Monday. Okay, so the skip చేయడానికి we are considering 15th here. Yeah, tell me what's your doubt? Clear? ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది కదా. అక్కడ 14th నేను సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ ఎందుకు చేయలేదు, మీరు కావాలంటే 14th సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోండి, బట్ వచ్చిన రిమైండర్ ని యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ టు మండే. ఓకే, సో యా, so any doubts are clear? So how is calendars? How is today's class? Amma, interesting. Amma, మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నాకు పెట్టేసేయండి. I will solve with solutions and I will get back to you. Okay, okay, so did you learn something in calendars? Yeah, you should be very careful. So that's the reason I want you to understand Okay. Okay. So have lunch. Yeah, your next session is at 11. So yeah. So we'll see you in the next class, guys. I'm also having my next session at 11. Naది కూడా same problem. Okay. So extending this session, but doubts కూడా clarify అవ్వాలి కదా. Okay. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next class.